guys, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching your property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, there is some attractions and landmark also. You can find the details and its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.